Hey everybody, welcome to Las Vegas. Oh, sorry, I forgot to take off my mask. Make sure you stay safe and always wear masks. We are going to give you a room tour, so let's go. Living room. So as you can see here, here's the TV and the chair right there. And also, here's a huge couch. Now let me show you my workstation. So this is my workstation. We have Wi-Fi and it's perfect for distance learning. Our closet area, so you could put on your shoes and get ready. So this is our bathroom, and over here is the toilet. Here's the shower. The bedroom. There's a lot of artwork and nice designs. Also, the TV's right here and you could watch TV. So here's the cool part. Look at this. We got a huge tub right here with a view. And if you thought that was cool, look at this. We get a wonderful view. Welcome to Las Vegas. Overall, everyone, I really enjoyed my stay here at the Cosmopolitan. It's one of my favorite hotels here in Las Vegas. The room was huge, the bathtub was super cool, and the restaurants are really good here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Stay safe. Till next time.